Hi Leah, thanks for your question and I'm going to answer this and I hope it helps you. For the assistant manager position in Panda Express, sa interview process talaga yung recruitment nila medyo talagang mabusisi, medyo talagang super standard sila. So you have to prepare on how to answer the question. Tell me about yourself. Yeah, like the usual, pero kasi they wanted to know kung paano ka sumagot, or how confident you are, how you will, how you will sell yourself, like how you will prove that it's really you that they're looking for. Mm, yun na, sabi mo, like your background, it's your, hindi naman totally kailangan na may background ka sa restaurant, pero at least it's an edge if you do have. So, yun na, tatanong nila, tell me about yourself, how do you see yourself in the future, or like for the next 5 years, yeah, yung parang i-broad mo lang, and then, ang pinaka-tips talaga is like, mag-prepare ka ng answer na like 2 to 3 sentence each question. Yun lang ang ano, kasi para mas broad, mas dapat broad and specific yung mga answer mo. Huwag mo na masyadong pahabain since parang magbo-board yung interviewer. Pero yun talaga since by experience, I had my interview for like 4 to 5 times ako in-interview. First dun sa pinaka online na interview, I've been to interviewed by the HR, and then second will be your area manager and regional manager, and then next one will be the director and ano pa ba yung next nun? Sumunod na nag-schedule na rin sa akin. Um, nung pag napasa mo na lahat yan, kasi by stages din sila mag-interview, pag naipasa mo yan lahat, mag-attend ka ng OJP, yung parang on-the-job training mo, on-the-job preview, like, they will invite you to do the things, you, and the operation by yourself, they will observe you and everything, and then you'll do the final interview, which is 8, like, for me, on my experience, like, 8 people was there to interview us, like, final interview, me, para, 8 silang nag-interview, isa-isa kayo interview. So, yun, i-observe ko nila. So, yun nga, ang most ng question nga nila, bakit sa panda, ganun. So, my experience, i-answer mo kasi syempre parang, of course, you're looking forward to work in a company where they will help you grow, and then you'll see the Panda Express is a stable company which gives a lot of benefits to their associate or their employee, ganun. So, yun lang, nakita mo kasi sabi mo na parang, you have to prove that you're not just working I mean, you're not just working because you want money, but this is your passion, something ganun. Siyempre, di ba, pag nag-interview mo talaga medyo, pero ako din talaga, since ito hospitality din talaga yung gusto ko. So, ayun, yun ang ano ko rin, sa pag-interview sa akin rin. I'm doing this for my family, not just for myself. So, yeah, parang gusto nilang malaman na talaga mag-stay ka. Kasi, sa akin, ano ba, like, ako mismo, parang naano ko na, parang ang hirap din talaga maghanap ng employee, di ba? Tapos parang alis lang din agad. So, yeah, that's what they wanted to project sa magiging future employee nila. Yung dapat physically fit ka talaga, you're mentally ready for, under pressure, sa pagtrabaho, ganun. So, I hope it helps you, and I hope you good luck on your interview, and sana may pasa mo. So, yun lang, maging honest lang to answer the question, pero yun nga, yung parang yung eagerness mo to be in the company, para ano ka,